to Nikki 1111, aka Nikki Does Tarot. All right, Libra, we are coming in your reading at, looks like it's 425, 424, 424. So you are stabilized. Your foundation is stabilized, excuse me. There could be something unexpected coming or something that's being hidden about your stability, your home front. Could be your emperor, could be your child's father, and somebody that, or your relationship, or somebody that they're dealing with, or maybe there's some kind of decision that needs to be made about your stability in your home front, Libra. So, Libra, we're going to go ahead and see what's going on. We're going to get started with your romance angels. See what the romance angels have to tell you, Libra. Romance angels. Okay, we're going to, that's a lot. I'm going to start over with that. What message do you have for the sign of Libra, romance angels? Romance angels, what message do you have for the sign of Libra? Oh, you deserve love. You are lovable. What else, Libra? Attraction. You attract romantic love by enjoying this moment. Codependency. It came up on reverse, so you could be getting over some kind of addiction, Libra. Let me see if they got anything else to tell you. Anything else? All right, Libra, we're going to stop bottom of the deck. Chemistry. Chemistry is here. There is chemistry. You deserve love, Libra. You deserve love. You are lovable. Attraction. There's something you could, there's an addiction here. No. But somebody has some kind of addiction. You deserve attract codependent. You deserve attraction, codependency. You deserve love, attraction. So, Libra, there could have been some challenges. So, Libra, there's some challenges you could have been going through here lately, Libra. You know, maybe it has something to do with love, you know. Maybe you want to know if there's still chemistry, but I guess there's still chemistry here. There is attraction, but somebody has some addictions here. You know. But there's something, there's something maybe holding you back, and it's an addiction. An addiction is in the way. You deserve the love that you desire, the love that you give, Libra. But again, as I said, somebody has an addiction. And it's affecting your love life. But overall, there is chemistry here, strong chemistry. What's the codependency? What's the codependency? What's the codependency card here for? Why is codependency here? Some secret, something that's hidden. Could be another person from the past. Yeah, that's So there was something hidden, a secret about the past, about somebody in the past, about some kind of love relationship in the past. Right? So you are questioning, like, do you deserve it? Am I lovable? But you are. You deserve the love that you are trying to attract, because you are a loving person too. But this secret, this addiction, is hidden. So could somebody still be hung up on the past? Somebody is still replaying something from the past, right? Okay, hold on. There's a secret. There's something that was hidden. You know what I'm saying? Something that was revealed about the past, somebody in the past, and some kind of third party. Somebody somebody out there was dealing with somebody that was working with, or still involved with somebody from their past. Maybe that was somebody they worked with, and this has been a long journey. These people may have been involved for a long time. This has been in many up and downs. You know what I'm saying? This could have been many ups and downs. This has been going on for a while. This had you up in your head, Libra, and distraught. But you're not ready to give up. You're not wanting to give up. Looks like somebody wants to come and give you an offer, an apology, or you're wanting to offer an apology about some kind of partnership, or somebody wants to apologize to you, Libra, about a partnership that had to do with some kind of emotional affair or love, or somebody they was intimate with, or some kind of new love, Libra. Let me see, what else? What goes after this page of cups? If it's not about a child, it's about some kind of decision that was made. That you are codependent on. Why is you addicted? You are addicted, codependent. The moon here, right? In the past love, past achievement. Somebody you grew up with. Somebody must be still stuck in the past about a secret, some kind of partnership that caused a lot of trauma, may have produced a child for some. Somebody found this out. Maybe this was discovered. Maybe something was revealed to somebody about a child in court. Somebody wants to apologize about some decision that has caused a lot of stress and trauma to you, and it was about a partnership or some kind of third party, Libra, from the past, and this has been hidden. This has been hidden from you, and it's saying you deserve love. There's chemistry here, there's a strong chemistry and everything, but somebody seems to can't get over the past. Somebody's still stuck in the past about some kind of secret. This was a hidden partnership. Like Libra, somebody out there, somebody knew about you, and you and the other person, they would watch you. They knew about you. They would watch you, or they're watching you. And you might know the person who was involved with somebody you was dealing with, Libra. And you might have known about this, and you might have even watched this go on, and and this messed you up mentally. Like this was in your head because you've seen this happening for a long time. You watched this happen for a long time. This partnership could have produced a child. And somebody found some evidence, somebody seen some evidence, or whoever this was produced this child was cold and heartless or didn't show their emotions. Or this was wounding and somebody wants to come and give you an apology for this partnership that may have produced a child. But you keep replaying it in your head, you know. I think this is what's holding you back, Libra. You know, you needing balance, justice. Justice is going to be served, or you're wanting justice to be served for this betrayal. Yeah. You know, and you question, you know, if this person loves you or if you lovable. But it's saying you attract romantic love by enjoying this moment. Put this. Oh. So it's for you to know that you are worth true love, real love, and authentic love, Libra. But you need to learn how to heal. You need to heal and learn how to forgive and let go. Forgive and learn to let go. What is you attract romantic love by enjoying this moment? What is that for? So this King of Cups, the Fool, this King of Cups that I guess that you are, you know, emotionally involved with, could be your child's father, you know, somebody that's intuitive or, you know, keeps the emotional balance. This person took some kind of leap of faith, some kind of unexpected opportunity happened here. He took a leap. This King of Cups took some kind of leap, right? What else? What is an option? But this was a decision, confusion. This king took and caused some confusion here that has you stuck. Okay, y'all, I'm getting, hold on. So it could be your husband, child's father took this leap, right? Or somebody who doesn't, King Cups doesn't really show his emotions. Somebody you could love, right? Took some unexpected opportunity with some option. But they didn't see everything they needed to see. They didn't make a clear and balanced decision or this option. Yeah, this leap, they didn't think well before they took this leap. And I'm thinking this leap produced a child. It produced something that's some new opportunity. Yep, bottom of the deck again is the Ace of Cups. Somebody out there somebody took some risky leap, right? They took this move. Could be somebody you're attracted to, somebody you love. Right? Or this person took this leap. Didn't have everything they needed. Didn't make this sound decision. Wasn't this option is this decision. I don't think it was balanced. I don't think they had everything they needed to make this decision. That was their wish fulfillment, right? And produced some kind of child about some new beginning. So somebody could receive the message about something that this love had produced. And then somebody needing to heal from it. Because there's a son. There's a son. Somebody was enlightened about something. And this truth came in fast. And this now has you stuck. Somebody stuck and trapped in their thoughts about some kind of action this King of Cups took. What's this? 7, 9. Yup, with somebody from the past, right? And somebody from the past that this person felt was feeling smug and was their wish fulfillment, produced something. Produced a child, but let me double check. What's the Page of Wands here for? Now, that's a lot of cards. It produced, let me double check that, because it produced something and somebody not trying to act like they don't see it. Something came out of it. A cup came out of this endeavor that somebody took, Libra, right? And now they're not acting like they don't see it, or they're not trying to claim it. Even though it's ended, they're not trying to claim it. Could be they're not trying to accept this cup, this truth, this love. And this love could have produced a child. Yeah, somebody was being deceptive. And you know this. Somebody knows this. Somebody knows some truth out there about something, some kind of step or leap this person took that was a risk, that they chose as an option, that was confusion and illusion. And this decision that they felt was the wish fulfillment has produced some kind of new project, or some kind of message has come in and you know it already. Somebody is slow to even come and tell you, right? But you've been watching this the whole time. So now this person has been left out in the cold because they was being deceptive, trying to get away. And maybe you knowing this is an achievement, or this cycle of them trying to being deceptive has completed. But they're still here that something was produced out of this deceit. And they're not trying to claim it. So now you're changing your perspective. But you're wanting justice, or you feel this is justice for this betrayal. You feel like maybe this is going to mess up your money? Because you're going to have to give it to somebody else because somebody was juggling. A third party. Now this has come to an end because somebody was being in and out in the marriage, in the union. And now there's karma coming. And now you know that you know the truth. It looks like you know the truth, Libra. And now somebody's trying to act like they didn't do it. Or they're not trying to accept the truth. Somebody's not trying to accept the truth of the matter. Yeah, somebody's not trying to accept the truth. Somebody's trying to give somebody something, but somebody's trying to say it's not mine. I'm not taking it. They don't want it. What's you deserve love here for? So somebody's trying to come in and give you an offer, Libra. Somebody could be trying to give an offer to you and somebody else, too. Or somebody's having to pay you and somebody else. Or somebody's trying to come in to give you some kind of offer. Some kind of small offer. Immature, maybe. There's conflict here. Maybe there's been some conflict. Why it says you deserve love, though? It feel like it's somebody else here, Libra. It's somebody else here. And then look, this person is trying to give an offer to two people. And this is conflict because this person can't make up their mind. They can't decide who they want to be with. Third party right there. They can't decide who they want to be with. And there's a conflict for this person to end this third party. Right? Right? This could end the marriage. This could end the marriage. Somebody might want to give a love offer to somebody else, or somebody was giving their cup of love to somebody else, and that has stopped because they are married. So somebody's given to two, right? But this is conflict. There's conflict and competition. And this person can't decide who they want to so-called give the world to. That's what it looks like. But there's been a definite transformation in this third party, which is a victory, right? And recognition. This cup that they was given to or their love to was karma. But this also has completed because they're married. That's what it looks like. But I'm going to see something real quick just to see if this is even close. Where we at? All right, Libra. Let's see what the Rebel deck has to say for this relationship. Rebel deck, what do you have to say for Libra? Rebel, what do you want to see if you have to say? Let me see. What do you want to have to say for the sign of Libra? Send a pic. Sexting will make their fucking day. Send a pic. Okay. I don't know about that. What else? I'm confused. Watch what you say. The mouth of yours could start some shit. Your mouth could start some shit. Watch what you say, Libra. What else?